I'm Brad Thorne. I'm the executive chef for East Izakaya. Today we're at the East Izakaya Niagara Falls kitchen. We're going to be making a Japanese curry rice dish. Very easy to make at home. I do it all the time. We're going to make it the exact same way I make at home. Just to thank you all for supporting our restaurants and our YouTube channel. Let's get to the video. Next, we're going to go over our ingredients we're going to be using. First thing is our Japanese curry roux. This is a much easier alternative to making your own spice blend in roux. Makes your curry very easy. You can buy this in your local grocery store. Next, we have all our vegetables we're using today. We have onion, potato, carrot, red pepper. You can really use any peppers you want. Japanese curry traditionally uses onions, potatoes, carrots, but you can clean up the vegetable drawer, use whatever you have. Next, we have our chicken. We're just gonna use this. You can use anything you want. Pork, bacon, beef, chicken, no meat, anything's fine for Japanese curry. Next, we have our chicken stock. You can use chicken stock or you can use water. I like to use chicken stock. Use the stuff from the grocery store, the Campbell's stuff, doesn't matter. Next, we have our curry powder. Just go to your local grocery store, buy some curry powder, it's always good. Then we have Japanese mirin. It's a sweet rice wine used for cooking. Then we have our soy sauce. This is a light soy sauce. A little less saltiness is great. And it's a little bit of canola oil for sauteing with. Really easy recipe. Looks like a lot of ingredients, but it's not. And sometimes too. I like the taste of curry. Just gonna stir that in. We're just gonna cook our spices so they're cooked and they start to bloom. Okay, now those are toasted off. We're just gonna throw our chicken in quick. Our mirin. Our light soy sauce, or any soy sauce you have at home really will work. Give that a nice stir, let it incorporate. Then we're going to add in our chicken stock. Probably about 4 cups of chicken stock, 5 cups, 4 or 5 cups of chicken stock. Then we can add in our vegetables. Then we're just going to give this a stir, let it come to a boil, cook our vegetables so they're nice and tender to the tooth. Alright, now that our curry's reduced and our vegetables are nice and soft, we can add in our curry roux. Just looks like this. This is one package worth. So we're just gonna add in a couple of blocks here at a time. And we're just gonna let it melt in. You gotta really stir it or else it's not gonna melt in properly and you're gonna get a big mouthful of curry roux, which doesn't taste too good when it's by itself. It's a very easy one-pot recipe. Once it starts to thicken, we can turn our heat down a little bit. Just want to simmer it, get that curry flavor a little more simmered in. So that curry roux is really thickening our sauce now. Last block. If it gets a little too thick for you, you can just add water to it, thin it out a little bit. I like it a little thicker so it sticks to the rice nice and good. Add a little bit more water to thin it out if we need to. And our curry is ready. Now we can plate it up. Alright, we're just going to get everything on the plate now. So we're just going to take our curry, we've got our rice, ladle it on. And then we're just going to throw some green onions on there just for a bit of color. A little bit of sesame over our rice. And that's it, Japanese curry rice.
Let's have some tasty.
Chef Lee, I brought some Japanese curry rice today.
Whoa! Oh, how you gonna make it better than me? Can I have that? Very good. It is good.
No.
How you make better than me? Oh!